Okay, what's the difference between this seed and this seed? They're both tomato, but you see different variety, have different seed size. So, it doesn't mean the fruit is gonna be bigger, because I have seen cherry tomato that has seed this big and heirloom tomato that has seed also this big. That doesn't mean anything. But also what you can see is that these are colored green color, and this is the natural color. They don't have any stain. And this color is the thiram. They treated with a fungicide thiram, so that in case your soil or your media has a disease or damping off or whatever, or you water too much, you may cause damping off disease. This fungicide treated seeds will help you survive that and give them an edge to survive. It doesn't mean that these will die 100%. Just water properly, just do all the correct practices, you'll be fine. It's just that these are, good backup to protect yourself, especially if you have a commercial operation.